How to open or enable the restricted mode on your YouTube app. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. This video will provide you a visual guide on how to do so. So let's just dive right in and get started. Open up the YouTube application on your phone by that. And once you open up the app, you can cut your profile picture or the U icon in the bottom right corner directly and tap on it. After you tap on it, your profile picture appears here. So from here, what you need to do is basically look out for the settings gear icon in the top right and tap on it. After you tap on it, this page opens up. Now, within your settings available here, you just need to look out for the section for General from the settings menu and go ahead and tap on it. And there you can easily find an option called Restricted Mode. So you can find that option by the right below the location you usually find it. And once you find it up, you just need to toggle the switch to the on by tapping on this on option. That will help you to hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate, and this setting only applies to this app on the device. So you can just go over and do so, and you can just go over and follow the process to turn on the restricted mode on your YouTube app. And that is how you do it. If you're on public computer, usually administrators might have permanently enable it, so you do not need to follow the process. But usually to enable the restricted mode on YouTube app, this is how you do it. Pretty quick and easy. So you may follow this step. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.